When uptime is measured in seconds, you can't afford poor planning and integration of your factory automation. Introducing Omron's Fleet Operations Workspace Core, or FlowCore. FlowCore is Omron's solution for setting up, integrating and managing an autonomous mobile robot fleet in a factory environment. It provides the software tools to connect and configure the AMR fleet into your factory automation, establish maps, define operational rules, and ensure increased uptime on the factory floor. FlowCore brings continuous improvement by optimizing your factory process with feedback, flexibility, and simplicity. It allows you to run your facility with minimal downtime, operating 24/7, working collaboratively with humans and machines. FlowIQ enhances the core user experience by providing powerful data collection and analytics through an intuitive user interface. The visualization tools generate graphics on the fly, such as heat maps, path maps, robot and battery utilization statistics. FlowCore incorporates the industry's first autonomous mobile robot fleet simulator for factory and manufacturing applications. Quickly verify traffic and workflows for fleets of heterogeneous mobile robots. Identify potential bottlenecks and optimize workflows without having to deploy a real robot. Cell Alignment Positioning System, or CAPS, allows for a smoother and quicker handover of material. The AMR can drive to the desired location with unrivaled precision and dock to a machine quickly and accurately, with a fleet-wide repeatability of ±8 millimeters. The robot is able to approach from various angles, so customers don't have to worry about floor layout and orientation of the load. With the latest release, you can now use CAPS technology to align and capture your custom cart. Omron's unique dynamic obstacle tracking allows for smoother motion around pedestrian traffic, forklifts, or any other moving vehicles to avoid collisions. The robot will predict a moving obstacle's path and move behind that path, much like you would navigating your factory. Omron's selectable autonomy feature enables users to define when AMR should be fully autonomous and when to stick to a specific path, much like an AGV. But unlike an AGV, no magnets, lines, nor beacons are necessary to enjoy the benefits of maximum flexibility without expensive infrastructure changes. This is helpful when applications require the robots to follow a designated path in certain areas of a facility. With selectable autonomy, users can tailor the traffic flow of their facility by choosing when AMRs follow a consistent path and when to allow full or partial autonomous driving. Selectable autonomy provides personnel the comfort of AGV predictability without needing to sacrifice the flexible obstacle handling of an AMR when space allows, all without the costly infrastructure of AGVs. Introducing the newest addition to FlowCore, Seamless Motion. With Seamless Motion, Omron AMRs accelerate production lines by eliminating delays and staging areas. Your Omron AMR is now capable to seamlessly transition from navigating your manufacturing environment to aligning with conveyors, machine cells, all while remembering the best path. FlowCore's application development software, Mobile Planner, allows customers to easily and effectively establish fleets of heterogeneous robot types alongside one another to increase manufacturing throughput. It further establishes and expands Omron's fleet management ecosystem as the industry's benchmark by adopting more intelligent traffic rules and lowering the cost and complexity of new and existing projects. New features include the ability to customize and assign map objects to specific AMR subfleets. Take control of your application now with Mobile Planner. The Mobile Planner Tablet Edition is an easy-to-use interface designed for monitoring and controlling your mobile robot fleet. Users can localize robots, drive them manually, initiate the map-making process, visualize and monitor the robot fleet anywhere inside your facility at any time. Your tablet also acts as a call button, allowing you to summon a robot whenever you need it. Mobile Planner Tablet can also store 6 call locations, simplifying facility infrastructure. The Integration Toolkit is Omron's application interface that enables interaction between the Fleet Manager and the end user's application, manufacturing execution system, or warehouse management system. This interactive layer facilitates autonomous control for a fleet of AMRs using standard communication methods that include REST and SQL. ITK facilitates queuing and monitoring of all AMR jobs. It also provides a single contact point for AMR data tracking. Integrate your mobile fleet securely into your Industry 4.0 or IIoT solution with Omron's Integration Toolkit. Accelerate your business and automate your mobile workflow with Flowcore. Bring deeper analysis, more flexibility, and greater insight to your fleet and facility. Adopt Flowcore by Omron and benefit today.